Why you wanna fly, blackbird? You ain't never gonna fly. Why you wanna fly, blackbird? You ain't never gonna fly.
I remember spending the majority of my childhood teaching myself how to fly. I remember spending hours spreading my wings in front mother's nest, pinning images in my head of black birds like me reaching heaven someday, hoping God find these dark feathers worthy in the amen. But I was robbed of my imagination when I witnessed my first black bird on the streets of Ferguson. Wings clipped, his mother's tears slow dancing down the holes in his back. His final moments and image baby birds like me became too familiar with. Soon after, I witnessed a murderer place a hand covered with Michael Brown's blood on a Bible and still walk away a saint. A reminder that all black and brown may come with an array of delightful shades, but will always have an urban tragedy. The kind where all birds in the hood are forced to adopt reality prematurely. We learn escape routes before we learn where we come from. It's no wonder we drop like flies when we take flight with these undeveloped wings. You can call it a stereotype, but fear is common to every bird's experience and it is not confined to our physical bodies. So when these wings spread like Jesus in a crossfire between crucifixion and black lives, know that it is only a defense mechanism. It is a battle cry for leave me and my body the hell alone, because black birds can sense storms from miles away. Black birds know danger. Black birds know the outcome of a horror movie before the opening scene. And it's not why we're always covered in black, because every day in America is a funeral, a graveyard, a swish of sweets and toy guns placed on caskets. They think we casket pretty when these badges and tistles detach our blackness. But it's all fun and games until spreading wings for survival is no longer the option. And becoming the vulture you've been afraid to see is the reality. So the question shouldn't be why I tried so hard to fly away, but instead, why are we still flying here?
Why you wanna fly, blackbird? Why you wanna fly, blackbird? You ain't never gonna fly.
It was fire. It was fire. Let me tell you something.